hey there. So I'm actually preparing my journal to do this painting. I'm doing my mixed media journal, and yeah, just getting my brushes ready, and I'm following Laura Horn Art, and I just want to advertise her channel because she does awesome mixed media kind of videos, not kind of videos, and she's Australian based and she's awesome. So give her a follow. So I'm just preparing. What she challenged people to do is to just really get into their canvas or their sketchbook and just don't leave all the pages blank. Just go and actually fill them. Now I'm going to do that, but I've got to start one at a time. Oh, is that two or it's just that thick? Bear with me. You know what? I think there's 2 pages there. Anyway, we'll deal with that later, Lee. So I'm just going to bring in some flow acrylic paint, and one's a structure. So this one's flow and the other one's acrylic. Just going to do some markings and then wait for it to dry. And I might bring a blow dryer to kind of help.